broken, it looks like. Can you guys see me? Is anyone in chat? If anyone's in chat, could you say if you can see this? Because this is a problem. Right. This is a very big problem. Oh. Oh. Okay, it should be fine now. So people have recommended to me that I turn this to borderless windowed mode, and I might do that between streams. It looks like I have to install Optifine before I can do that, but once I have Optifine, I will look into it. Actually, I will do that once I have Optifine. Also, guys, what should I call the pickaxe? Tell me in the chat or, well, wherever, right? I might also check this episode's YouTube VODs. Just, you know, tell me somewhere. What should I call the pickaxe? Okay, so it looks like the squeezer is actually filled up a lot. Alright. That's okay. There's some stuff in these fluid ducts. That's okay. Guess let's do some more quests for here. Do some more quests. Also, what's happened to this? What's this box? OBS is a little weird today. Oh no, that's the starting soon box. Okay. Whatever, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Let's keep making some progress into the quests. I might get the Aqueous Accumulator. I might not. We'll see. But this unlocks something like Mechanism. Oh, thanks for the raid, Bit. Mechanism, which actually isn't too bad. If I had to say so myself, it's not that bad. But, well, is it? Like, we have mechanical components probably, but like this stuff is okay, I suppose. Also, you'd probably want an angel ring because you know want to fly at some point. But this is okay. This is gonna be a far future kind of thing. Something that we do like a lot later because damn that is expensive. Okay. So that's not gonna happen either. Can look into getting what else? Let's see here. What else could we do? We could finally get an extractor. We can also get the blast furnace and the other pieces of it. So yeah, let's get the blast furnace first. So the blast, and also this. So this requires a bunch of dense iron plates, which I'm not so sure I enjoy the prospect of. Because actually having iron, because iron large plates are 8, right? This is 9. This is actually more expensive to do. But both of them I think require aluminum. So we'll see if we have any aluminum anywhere. If we don't, that's fine. Let's see if I have any. Yeah, dude. Okay. I think I can put this in here, though. Maybe not. Ooh. Oh, thanks. Followers. Wonderful. Yeah. Sorry about... I'm not sure what happens if I tab out. I think it might turn to black, but... in that case, I will probably between streams... Again, I've said this, I think, before. Change this to... do something else. What the heck? Okay. Joke's on you, my man. I don't have Siri. Oh, that's not what I wanted. But joke's on you, I don't actually have Siri. You know, joke's on you. I don't have Siri. I can't. That's not gonna work. I'm sorry. But regardless, thanks for the follow. It's your bot. So that'll do its thing. And in the meantime, we need to do this with 32 iron, I think. For 4 large plates. So that saves a tiny bit of iron. We also actually do not even have enough to smelt 32. Okay. That's okay. We could probably argue that doing this is easier, but I don't know. I feel like I just don't want to wait for this to make 36 iron plates. It's so slow. Yeah. I mean, if you want me to say that, sure. Hey Siri, play Best Day Ever from Nickelodeon. That did nothing because I don't have an Apple phone. Regardless, though, thank you for the follow. Might make some more grout for these bricks later, but first as well, hardened leather. Now, this is actually a problem because impregnated sticks are fine, right? I can make enough of them, but hardened leather I need was a 6 per wing and only 12 leather. So I guess I'm just gonna have to go around like killing cows or something. This is gonna be a bit of a sad episode. You know what? Oh, okay. You know what? I think actually I've once again changed my mind about the metal former thing. This is just better, honestly. This takes so long. It's ridiculous how long this takes. To cool even. It takes so long. But I'm not gonna make another batch. At least not right now. Maybe later. For now, I think I'm just going to deal with this being slow, and that's just going to have to see how it is. But after we get these plates, we can make these things furnace. Normal furnace is actually not too bad. Maybe we will take the rest of these small batteries and make them into coal generators. Maybe not though, because right now this is actually. These make like 40 redstone flux per tick, which is like significantly better than this because all I need to do is leave coal in it. We made those last episode, and yeah, I think these coal generators are a very good investment. So, I don't think I'm gonna do this like ever again. That's just so slow. Just so slow. So basic machine casings. And now, first things, I guess, make some extractors, which we'll need 4 tree taps for. I don't have 4 tree taps. Let's get some more tree taps then. Or some materials for more tree taps. I forgot, these only make a little bit. So there's another one, there's another one. And as soon as we get the basics, as soon as we get the circuit, we can have enough for, we'll have, what are that's called? An extractor, right? I just talked about making this, and now I've already forgotten what it is. My memory is wonderful. I also want to do some more exploration. At some point this stream, we'll see about that. But okay, we do have some more rubber. Also, can I like macerate this or anything? Yeah, I can. It'll do what it normally does. I don't think I want to though. I was contemplating making a sword out of this, but I think flint is just much easier to repair. So, no, I think it's gonna have to be the answer. So, copper cables are done. These guys, insulated copper cables. And now this also requires an iron plate, and I didn't make an iron plate because I have 0 foresight. Let's finally get an extractor. That's the quest complete. And this thing, oh, this is actually really good. Wow. Okay. This is very, very useful. Turns our rubber wood into rubber as well, but I don't quite need to care about that, I feel like. Do I have rubber wood even? Yeah, I do. Rubber wood. Well, this is pretty good. So you don't have to smelt it directly anymore. You can put it into here. No, that's fine. Okay, that's great. Put 3 upgrades in there then. And this can extract stuff for us while we do, you know, whatever else. So I'll claim the loot chest here. I'll claim the loot chest here. So wanton soup and gun turret. You know, not the most useful, but actually, what am I saying? Wanton soup is the most useful thing here. Also, there's clay in here. I noticed that last time. I'm not sure why there's clay in there. I think actually this is why I couldn't find the clay for the coke oven earlier, because I left it in the fridge. That's just a little funny to me. Also, I have some gun turrets. I think I need to put bullets in these for them to even work. So, guess for now I'm just gonna leave them out here and they'll look, you know, intimidating. There you go. But yeah, I think I need to put casings in here. So not even casings, but bullets in there. I don't have bullets, so I'm not going to worry about that. Well, what's next on the quest book? Electric furnace. It's gonna take a furnace. Then, wait, what happened? Oh, we're out of power because I forgot to put coal coke in there. All right. While that charges up, I will make that. You do need to go mining for coal semi-frequently, but that was a pretty big vein. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty good. This can go in the macerator. Okay, looks like I can't have both running at the same time. Especially not like that. Damn, what's this bat box doing? Hold on. What's the bat box is not doing anything. Like I'm storing 40,000 in. I'm storing like 40,000 in there, and it's done nothing. Okay, hold on a minute. Let's make some wires. Let's see what the hell. Oh no, this is not what I wanted. I can still cut it into. Okay, that's fine, but we've basically lost the copper wire for no reason. A little embarrassing, but it's probably okay. Let's get one of these. Actually, we're going to need two anyway. Actually, this bat box doesn't even output that much. We need like this thing. CSU. I'm gonna need the advanced battery. It's just gonna need a lot of bronze, it seems. Alright, well we have bronze. But that's not the main focus of what we're doing here. We need to make an iron furnace, and then need to make the electric furnace. Just this thing. Oh, no, not that thing. This thing right here. So that's just another one of these circuits. So I'll take the rubber and let's get some of this. Yikes. I don't understand what changed, what I changed that would have caused that, but whatever. This generator is clearly not enough. We're going to need to find something else, but can always do it later. Let's get our insulated copper cable. Let's get this thing as soon as I make another iron plate, which seems to be a recurring theme that I never remember to make an iron plate. That's not. That's, I guess, something I should be mindful of. Also. Oh wow. Okay. That's an ultimate furnace. You can roll. You have a chance of rolling that from one of these loot boxes. I certainly hope I get one, but let's do that. there's the electronic furnace, or the electric furnace, I should say. Can claim these loot crates to get a tape measure and sweet and sour meatballs. Again, not quite what I had in mind, but you know, I won't complain. Especially a tape measure is actually pretty useful. You can, measure out things with it as soon as you okay, wait, hold on. Wait, this is gonna look very weird, but let me turn my GUI scale down a lot so I can see this. Search for category chisel and bits radio menu. Let's turn that to something. I don't know really. Search key J. What's this? Oh no. Of course. Of course. What else has this binding? Oh wow. Okay. Open radial menu. Wait, hold on. What? Quests. Oh my god, controls are so weird. So many mods as well. Let's get, I don't know, something. Key. What else is C bound to? I'm gonna just unbind that for now, and when we need to do psi, we can always figure this out. Oh, no, I haven't changed the GI scale back. We can always figure out the rest of the key bindings once, we need to do this. This is just significantly more useful to me at the moment. So this is what you do with it, basically. Measure areas. That's like its entire function. Wait. This is the recipe. Nothing too crazy. And for reinforcements, honestly, might get some reinforcements. Just put them on various things that have enough modifiers to fit them. But otherwise, gonna probably unbookmark that. Can unbookmark. Well, no, we can't. This might be worth looking into at some point, but that's fine for now. That can be bookmarked. So I guess this is what we're gonna do next. That's just, so the first stage, this is 3 copper plates for the heat conductor. 3 copper plates and 6 plastic or 6 rubber. And then the next part is the blast furnace itself, which I don't actually know how to use. I know there's like another block you might have to have, as well as a bunch of other stuff that you might need to do, but I'm not actually sure because I haven't used IC2 like at all before this point. Let's get the heat conductor, and now all that's left is to get a lot of these item casings. I need 7 in total. Each plate makes like 2, I think. Yeah, each plate here makes 2, so I'll need 4 plates. Let's do that. I think it's night outside, and there's maybe a lot of mobs somewhere. And there's a creeper over there, I guess. Also, I think we need to make another trip to the Nether at some point. I think once we have the hang glider, we'll do that. But once this metal former is done, you can look into getting some of the stuff. Yeah, I may want to do this as well, the GP stuff. Because and especially for this thing, the water mill. But it's probably fine for now. Water mill. I wonder, what does that do? What's this? What's this even used for? I have no idea. But it doesn't seem to be actually too important. So we're gonna make the blast furnace next. Here. We need to craft a universal fluid cell. But they're not in JEI. Okay. 14 casings around a glass pane in a plus shape. That's good to know, I guess. So we'll need to make a lot of these, it seems, today. So blast furnace is done. But the problem, of course, is that I don't have any wires to put it on. Because we'll put it back there. And no, that's not great. Break these. I'm convinced they don't actually even do anything. Sorry about that. But let's see here. I'm gonna do this for now. See about the blast furnace later. So apart from this, need that, and I think like a glass pane, they said. Let's get a glass pane. Or rather, 16, because that's how much that's gonna craft. And I think you need the tin casings like this and the glass pane like that. That gets us a universal fluid cell, which goes into here. And that will slowly compress it as soon as I actually have some wires connecting over. It will do so. And that goes in here, and that fills up with a bit of stuff. But there's also like a heat thing here. So maybe there's something I'm missing. Electric heater. Okay, that's gonna be more iron item casings. I need 6, so let's get 3 iron plates rolling, plus a RE battery and an electronic circuit. So that's 10 item casings. I'll need 2 of these. I'll need 2 of them plus the cable in here, and I'll need another iron plate. So I guess I'll add another one here. And I think I'm going to, can I rotate that? Because if I can rotate it, I don't have to break it. Yeah, I can. But doesn't look like I can rotate in the way that I want to, which is a little sad. Wow, yeah, moving the furnace is a lot right now, but let's see here. Like that. That's how I want it to be. So I can put the next thing here. I need to sort out this furnace room eventually, but probably not right now because well, you know, to be honest, I can't actually be bothered to do that. We can function with what we have right now. That's like the main point. I can work with this. So right now I don't see a reason. Right. I don't see a reason. Let's do that and get some wires extruded. And also tin casings as well. Roll please. So you have more insulated copper cables. I think if you stand on these, they won't hurt you. Is the main selling point. And I need to probably move this machine, the electric furnace, I should say. I need to move this thing over to this side, like there, for example. And then what this allows me to do is place some wires up and like around, and I can put more machines down on any face with a wire. Yeah. This place is gonna get really janky, I feel like. But actually I'm gonna take this for now. Probably put it like here. Because I need to access this side to be able to put in the heater. Once that's done, of course. There's this, and now all we need is this thing. So there's the RE battery, and as soon as I insulate these wires, which will be a while, but that's probably fine. That'll be enough. So this thing has shocking on it. I'm not actually so sure if that's like the absolute best choice, and I'll have to consult the Tinker's Construct book to figure out what is actually the best there. But also we'll need 3 copper plates, so let's get 3 copper plates. This is so annoying. You know what, screw it. I'm just dropping stuff off in this box. It's not like I actually care about things being organized anyway, right? I'll leave this in here. Also see, can I upgrade a backpack? I'll just need some kind of backpack, I guess. Backpack frame, but I can't actually change this? Alright, fine. Is there anywhere where I could put this? I don't think so. Well, not in the baubles area. Cosmetic armor, I mean, sure. Let's have some cosmetic armor. Let's have some cosmetic boots. You can see we're not wearing this actually. Could probably even, you know, wear some other stuff that we have up here in the cosmetic armor slot, but yeah, that would probably wouldn't even look very good. Also, the flux infused helmet. Maybe you can charge that somewhere. No, not in there, of course, but maybe we can charge this. But I'll leave that in the machine room for the time being. And let's make the heat conductor. And then take the iron casing that we put away for some reason. And there's the electric heater. And immediately slap it down somewhere random because that's what we're doing here, I guess. That's the name of the game. Make hard to break thing and then put down hard to break thing in a location that is not where we wanted it to be. I can't have that anymore. Okay, fine. So I think if they're facing each other, this will work. And we'll need, like, I think coils are what we put in here. Though I can't actually be sure. But I guess we could always make one coil and try, right? That only takes like another that only takes another one of these, so I don't think that's so bad. I can access them from here now. All I needed was to be able to put it down. So I can take that. Wait, hold on. Electric heater. This is a power tier 4. Huh. I'm not actually sure what that means. If anyone knows what that means, they can tell me. But I don't know what that means, and I don't think it matters. See if I get proven wrong very soon by like something exploding or whatever. So a coil goes in here, and yeah, that seems about right. If I put iron in here, will it start working? No. Well, yes, but it is very, very slow. I mean, I could use the steel knife blade that I have somewhere, but I think what I'll do instead is just get a lot more coils. So I have 9 more slots to fill. Oh, actually, this is a tooltip. You see, this is why you need to read the tooltips. Okay, 9. 9 times 8, 72. So I'll need like wait, no, I screwed up the math. It's a lot more than the amount that I have, I bet. So let's see if I can find any more copper ingots up here. But if I can't, I'm going to grind the copper ore that I have here and, you know, have found around this, you know, cursed area. Okay, we have barely enough, so I'm going to macerate more. I'm going to macerate more copper ore anyway, because I think we're going to run out pretty soon, right? Like, we need like this many. And, you know, having 2 is actually not enough. Believe it or not. We need more than 2 for basically everything we're going to do. Is going to require more than how much we already own. So, you know, that'll help for sure. I need to go mining for coal. Have a while left, I guess, in the stream. You can go do that. While that does its thing, let's go get some coal. Let's also get some aluminum, because may need that. But mainly, what we're here for is coal. I need some coal. So walking down this is problematic because, you know, you bounce a lot, but whatever, that's fine. Let's go. So I had a big clump of dye right there, and I had to go looking for more. Typical me. Okay, that's broken. I got a lot of cobble, which I'm probably just gonna delete because I can't even I don't need this in the slightest. And let's go do this. Let's do this, in fact. Also get the diamonds, why not? We're gonna need it at some point. Probably, maybe not. But, you know, if we are gonna need it, it can't hurt to have. If we're not gonna need it, well, I don't know. If we're not gonna need it, I guess I screwed that up, didn't I? If we're not gonna need it, it can't hurt to have. If we are gonna need it, you know, that's why it's here. Also, get some more flint. That's basalt. So this part might actually, if you're watching the VOD, this part, or even just watching the stream, this part might be hard to see, because of, you know, how dark this is. But I think we are actually already at bright here, and I can't turn the brightness any further than that. So yeah, I don't have night vision. That's a problem, maybe. If that's an issue with anyone, like if you're not able to see what I'm doing here, I apologize, but I also don't have any more torches. So let's keep digging. Hopefully I find some coal, though I think I am actually too low down for any coal to spawn at all. So I think I'm going to have to go back up and, you know, go a bit higher than this, because right now I don't think I can find any coal whatsoever, because let's verify this coal. All right, where does this spawn? On Earth, or I guess in the overworld. So at around like 40ish. So we need to go up much higher. Also, we're at 69 levels. Very nice. I think I just like lost one guy that was watching. No? Great. Can all tolerate my bad jokes in an effort to keep this entertaining enough. Yeah, that's just out. There's not much I can do about that. At least it freezes the progress, doesn't go away. There's not too much I can do about it. Let's make some stone sharpening kits. You know, just a load of stone sharpening kits. Because why not? Well, actually I know why not. There's no reason to have any of it. That's a good enough reason to not have any, isn't it? But whatever. When has doing reasonable things ever stopped me? Can already make one more coil. Let's do that prior to leaving. And it is my hope that this has built up some heat. And it is also my hope that this will build up more heat if I do this. Well, actually it won't, because I don't have any power and this thing is useless. Like, wait. Is it like a side thing? Like if I put a wire on a certain side, will it, if I put a wire here, will it extract power? Yes. That was the problem, I think. Yeah, that seems to be the problem. Let's do this. I think we're actually still out of power. Okay, so the bat box only outputs power on this top side here. Well, now this just looks even worse. Wonderful. Let's go repair the pickaxe. I think 3's enough. It is not enough. 4 then. Why does the stone pickaxe repair for so little? Like this? What the hell? Okay, whatever, it doesn't matter. Let's go to around 40. Which may be somewhere around here. Actually, there's some coal right there that I see. There's a lot of coal here that I see. I have some torches. Let's put down some torches. Just because I don't feel like exploding today. Oh, no. Oh, screw you. Okay, I think I'm removing the ember tool rod. No, I can't do that. Can't deal with that. Like, on this pickaxe, shocking is actually pretty good because it gives you, because haste 3 gives you insta-mine. But, you know, that kind of stuff can happen a lot. Like, I have the pieces. I'm okay with expending hunger, but, like, also, I thought I had luck 3 on this. I do have luck 3. Why does this give me so little? You know, I thought luck 3 would be worth significantly more than, you know, what it's giving me right now, but I suppose not. Let's go whatever remains here. And we're actually at 25, so we're below the optimal height. Yeah, we're doing exactly what we're doing at the beginning, which is, you know, just mining a lot. But, you know, so we have some coal. I think can probably get through our current needs. But the next time we're going to need probably more coal. Or we can just switch over to lava and make some lava somehow. You know, you can keep using this current system so long as it's actually... as long as it works, and keep using this system. But we'll see what we're going to do when that actually becomes of concern, which it currently is not. So coal goes back in there, and that solves our problem for the time being. We have like 60 copper cable, so that's what... Actually, that's why we have strength. Let's do this. Get some coils. I may have miscalculated how much I needed. Actually, I definitely have. Maybe not. Actually, no. Never mind. I have for sure. So there's a full set of coils. As soon as, well, actually, you know what I think the problem is? Yeah, there's one more that I needed. Let's turn off the master by taking that out. And I guess just cook this in any old furnace for now. Or any random furnace, because what I suspect is happening here is that this just requires a lot of power. So like to some degree, it's using up too much power. Though, not really, I guess. Just a little bit too much sometimes. I think the problem is that also that like we need a lot of these universal fluid cells for this to work. Yeah. We definitely need a lot. So it looks like the blast furnace, okay. It can't fit an overclock upgrade, but that's because it doesn't actually take power. This thing is the only one that uses power. So let's see what else do we need? Ooh, a block of signalum. That'll help for sure. That's very useful. Very useful. Geothermal generator. Sure, we can do that maybe later. And as well, here I think might get this excavator head. Might not, I don't know. Yeah, this seems fine. Let's get the prudentium excavator head. At any rate, we can always turn this into, I think, 8 prudentium, right? If I smelt it, I get 8 prudentium. If I ever need prudentium, I can use this. And if I don't ever need prudentium, I don't need to care. I think that's a great deal. Okay. Also, throwing stars. I think as a wise man once said, if you're not using throwing stars, you are not playing the game right. And I wholeheartedly agree. This doesn't look like I can smelt the armor down. That's fine. Well, that's not exactly what he said, but you know, the gist of it is that, you know, Shuriken's good. And that, I think, very correct. Shurikens are great. So let's, you know, do some shurikening. Some stuff with throwing stars. Mainly, we're going to probably switch out 2 of the blades. With, you know, something. Like silver knife. They use knife blades. So we could do 1 silver. Yeah, 2 or 3 of them we can switch out. We can do silver, bronze, knife blades. That's not great. I mean, that's a lot of attack, though. Maybe. I'll say maybe on that one. Copper. Nope. That's just terrible. Iron knife blade. Meh. That's not great either. Lead knife blade. I mean, okay. That's okay, I guess. It's not great. Nickel knife blade. Nickel's definitely better. Yeah, let's use a nickel and a bronze. And then signalum knife blade, maybe? Yeah, sure. Let's take that down. Just, you know. I think investing in a Shuriken is definitely very helpful. So, let's make sure we do that. And that is, once again, out of air. That requires a lot of air. Wow. So that's that. I hope it's not running out of air again. I mean, it probably is, because that's what this does. It runs out of air. So there's a nickel. Let's replace this with lead. Or even, let's smelt the lead in here. You know, this is something I probably should have started doing a long time ago, but I didn't. And, you know, that's not actually that great. Also need to get a knife blade cast. Want to cast any of this as usual. The knife blade. And I need 2 in here. Oh wait, No, wait, each one of these is one. Never mind. We need one in there. And then, as we normally do, put that in there. Get this stuff all melting as well. And yeah, this may not be the most, you know, most correct use of my resources, but it's definitely the most fun in my opinion. Possessed Rikens are, you know, pretty useful. So, good thing is, unlike the large plates, these cool pretty quickly. May have to end stream very, very soon. So, you know, if this is not done, which it is not, it's gonna have to be done next time. This has taken so much air. Wow. Might count how much this took because damn, this is if this takes more, I'm going to be so mad. Let's get this done very, very quickly. I think I'll stop stream. So that, and that. Wait, this. Okay. Yeah, this is pretty good. Let's do that. Stone, lead, signal, nickel. This sounds pretty good. And it sounds even better if you throw it into a wood floor. Wow. Okay, well, I'm gonna end stream.